Oh, you don't need it?
Hey guys, it's Sunshine back. Gonna mix up my sweet potato souffle. Y'all welcome to my official cooking show now. Apparently I didn't have things set up on my other video, so Mama set me up correct now. So I said now I feel like I'm on a real live cooking show with my light here and all. So anyway, got me 5. It calls for 5 medium. Mama likes to use 5 pretty big sweet potatoes. Then I've got, save time, I already measured my stuff, but I'll tell y'all what it is. 1 cup of sugar, just regular white sugar. Mama's already put, how much butter?
1 stick.
Mama's already put 1 stick of butter, unsalted, in there. This is 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract. Alright guys, and then you just take your mixer. And you just mix away. Mama's little mixer's got a squeak. There you go, guys. Just get it mixed up. Get all that goodness mixed in. Oh, that looks good. Yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy. Alright guys, so to to cook those sweet potatoes, let me get this, let me get Mama to rinse my pan out for me. Mama, you wash my pan for me. Just rinse it out. Cook those sweet potatoes, you just stick them in the oven. We normally do like 400 degrees, 450? 400. Oh, I thought I said about 400 degrees. It takes them about an hour if they're big and fat. Now, if they're kind of the longer, skinny ones, about 45 minutes. Just you know when they get done because they get soft, but you can smell them. That's how I always know that they're done because you can smell them. I done come over here without me a spoon again, Mom.
You do the real meaningless sushi.
I can use this one. I know I had this little stick for something. Okay, and I am cooking in throwaway containers because we are taking it up to Mimi's. And I just don't want to have to worry about taking nothing, bringing nothing home. Or if I do, I just want to be able to pop a lid on it and be ready to go.
And don't put your marshmallows on if you're using them first. Wait until about 10 minutes before they're done.
Yeah, and I'm going to use, Mama prefers them with pecans. You know, you can top them with the pecan stuff or marshmallows. Mama prefers pecans, but CP prefers marshmallows. So we're just going to go with the marshmallows this time. Mama's done, this will be the 3rd time we've eaten it this year. Anyway, so we've had, Mama's done the
pecans.
Yeah, done the pecans this time. Also, a little tidbit of advice, y'all. If you're cooking these things, place it on a cookie sheet because these things are so flimsy. Try to get it pretty much done out here. Alright. And again, this is going to go in the oven 350 degrees for like 30 minutes. I mean, everything's already done except for your eggs, so you're just, you know, wanting to cook it And then about 10 minutes before it's done, we will pop some marshmallows on top of it. And it'll look delicious. Then pop it back in there. You know, let your marshmallows brown and melt a little bit. Well, that's what Miss Lynn, Mama, so the first time she cooked it, that's what she was going to do, was half pecans and half marshmallows. So that way Bo would have his and she'd have hers. But Bo Stevie didn't even eat with us that night, and he went to his girlfriend's house. So she just put pecans on all of it. Because I hate it either way. I don't care. So, anyway, there we go. I'm going to pop this in. Guys, I think Mama's going to come on... ain't she going to come on Driftwood and Shine with some crafts today?
Oh, yeah.
So Mama will be on with some crafts on Driftwood and Shine. I would love to hang out and talk a little more with you guys this morning. But trying to get this done. We're supposed to eat at 12. I'm running behind, of course. Go figure. So anyway, I'm going to try to get all this to going and get this in the oven so we can get up there. But I love you guys. And make sure you check out Driftwood and Shine with Debbie and Sunshine to see Mama doing some crafts later today. So she's going to come out and hang with y'all because she's not going to go eat with us. She's going to stay down here and do some crafting. So anyway, so y'all check her out over there. I love you guys. I hope everybody's having a very happy Thanksgiving. We love you all, and we will see you later. Bye, guys. Mwah. Love ya. I got to try to hit my finish button. Very graceful here.